Proposed healthcare reform could be a hard pill to swallow for Hawaii's unions. It's one of the stories that our partners at Civil Beat are working on. And joining us live over Skype is CivilBeat.com editor Eric Pape. Good morning, Eric, and thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning.
So Hawaii residents are still learning of the impacts of healthcare reform, and you've got information on the impact for Hawaii's unions. What could that be?
Well, there's an element of healthcare reform that's little known. It's in Obamacare, and it deals with sizable fines that will apply to what are called Cadillac healthcare plans, which is to say the most luxurious ones, and then the kinds of plans that are that many state union employees benefit from today.
And this is something that many of them didn't know about, right?
They didn't know about. We've called some union people here to talk about it. They said that they're not aware of this having any impact. Our guess is that they will eventually when the fines kick in, which will happen when the inflationary costs of healthcare surpass a certain threshold. It will cost the city and the state millions of dollars unless there's a change in healthcare costs. But it could hurt unions, and it can create a lot of pressure for them to accept lesser healthcare plans.
Well, turning now to another story, the battle over GMOs, genetically modified organisms, very contentious. And on the Big Island, there's a bill that could actually put some people in jail. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, it's a bill that's just circulating at this point. It's by a woman named Brenda Ford on the council on the Big Island. She is looking to submit it eventually. It could result in people who grow genetically modified, say papayas, which are the rainbow papayas are pretty much all genetically modified. They could go to jail for up to 30 days and face a fine of $1,000.
Well, Eric, this is certainly an issue that's not going away, and it is very fascinating for those of us watching it. Eric Pape from Civil Beat, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And you can find the complete stories that we just discussed on their website, civilbeat.com.